Hey everybody, it's Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. Today we're looking at Seekout's new Smart Search, Smart Match, something like that. All right, so, well, here it is, and it's basically really pretty cool because it makes it pretty simple. You don't even have to know Boolean to get this thing done. So let's kind of get to it. Here it is. Let's put a job title in there. You know me, I love picking on developer, so we're going to put developer, and we got all these choices. Let's go with Java developer. And what's good, it asked me to add other titles. So we'll do senior Java, we'll do Java J2E. That's enough. Required skills, obviously you gotta have Java. I mean, if you're looking for a job, you gotta have Java. That's pretty simple. And now let's go ahead. Let's just leave it at that. Now, here's where you can add some other things. You can do the preferred skills, required skills. We're not gonna play that game. We got power filter here. This is actually the power filters that you've seen before, where you can add all this stuff in here. We're not gonna mess with those because you guys should know how to use them for past. Location, we can add a location. Let's add a location. I am in Seattle. So we're going to add Seattle. Yes, I know I'm going to get a bunch of Amazon people. No problem. I'm not doing all this stuff. Let's do diversity tag. Do we want diversity candidates? Not right now, but we will. And then you can add more filters. You can add all of them. So let's go through them. Standard filters. Experience filters. Here's the standard filter. Power filter education. So we can do education and add in education. Let's not. I just kind of want you to see them there. Experience, you can get experience to filter candidates by company, title, years, previous company, previous title, specialties, if they're open to new roles, location, even more than just what I already did. Diversity, we already know. Role is seniority, company, more specific about that company, alumni, industry, background, what kind of skills, maybe certification, then miscellaneous, which includes minimize candidates, profile type, contact info, and exclusions. So basically all those filters that you're used to getting are still available to you, but you don't have to know Boolean, you don't have to do as much work. It's all sitting there. And look, I mean, we get 2.3K, so we know we're pretty good. And it's pretty accurate. Let's narrow that bad boy down a little bit just to show it works. I'm a veteran. I like helping veterans. 14 veterans in Seattle area that have Java and have one of those titles. Well, there you go. Simple, easy. You know, I have a standing joke from, I forget what it is, one of those insurance companies, commercials, something like that. So simple a caveman can do it. Cave person. Well, it is. Now they make it so simple a cave person can do it. And for those of you that like the old style with the Boolean, it's sitting right there. So there you go. I mean, it's awesome. It's a great new step to make it simpler. You don't have to push as many buttons. If you don't want to have the extra filters, you don't need to have them. If you want to have them, you can have them. It's totally up to you. You can, but truthfully, this is all you need. Just that little bit, and you're getting candidates. Let's take the veteran out. Remember, we're at 2.3K. Let's add Hispanic. I'm also Hispanic, by the way. 162. Cool. Let's get out of Hispanic. Well, that's it for me. Let's look at women, female. 584. Very nice. So, I mean, it's got everything you need. Everything. And you can still get people insights off of it. And like I said, if you want the old Boolean, it's sitting right there. So that's it. Pretty simple, easy. I'm not sure what else to say about it. This is designed for people who aren't the best at Boolean to help get you started and get you going. And there you go. So this is Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. This is Seekout Simple Search, Smart whatever they're calling it. May the source be with you.